The Winton CTL23L automatic feed lathe-type tube cutting machine with integrated magazine loader is designed for high-volume cut-to-length tube production. This automated system combines a servo-controlled tube feeder and a CNC lathe-type cutting process to produce precise tube lengths with clean chip-type cuts and integrated chamfering. The system consists of two integrated machines: an automatic magazine tube loader, also known as a bar feeder or a tube feeder, a lathe-type tube cutting machine. Raw tubes are manually loaded into the inclined magazine loader, where they roll freely and are automatically positioned in the feed chute. When one tube finishes processing, the next tube is automatically transferred into position, allowing the machine to continue production with minimal operator intervention. Inside the magazine loader, a sensor detects when a tube is present in the chute. A servo-driven shuttle mechanism, often referred to as a bullet inside the trough, pushes the tube forward toward the cutting station. The servo-controlled tube transfer system advances the tube precisely based on the programmed part length. This closed-loop feedback system ensures straight, accurate material feeding during production. The CTL23L uses a lathe-type cutting process. Unlike shear cutting or partial cut and break methods, this system performs a true chip-type cut, where the cutting head rotates along with the tube. This method produces clean-cut edges, consistent chamfers, high-speed production. Chip-type cutting is often preferred when cut quality and dimensional accuracy are critical. The cut length is servo-controlled, programmable by an Allen Bradley PLC with operator-friendly HMI screens. Operators can easily program cut lengths from 3 to 24 inches, material feed rates, number of parts to produce. Production quantities can even be adjusted while the machine is running without stopping the system. The machine also includes a parts counter and material low indicator to monitor production. This automatic tube cutting system is designed for high-volume tube fabrication environments. Typical performance includes material feed rates up to 12 inches per second, feed length repeatability of plus or minus 0.01 inches, cycle times of approximately 10 seconds for a 12-inch cutting chamfer operation. The integrated magazine loader allows the machine to continue running with minimal operator interaction, supporting extended production cycles and lights-out style manufacturing. Operator safety is built into the system. The CTL23L includes 3 laser scanners that monitor operator proximity, interlocked safety guards, emergency stop located on a mobile operator console. These features help ensure safe operation during production. The machine processes tubing materials such as 1010 and 1020 carbon steel tubing, 304 stainless steel tubing. Typical tubing range: diameter 0.312 inches to 0.750 inches, wall thickness 0.02 inches to 0.08 inches. The magazine loader can support up to 20 tubes ranging from 10 to 20 feet long. Automatic tube cut-to-length systems like the CTL23L are used across many industries where high-volume tube processing is required. Typical applications include medical devices, marine and offshore equipment, aerospace and defense manufacturing, automotive components, lawn and garden equipment, HVAC and refrigeration systems, furniture and structural tube fabrication. Any manufacturer producing large volumes of steel or stainless steel tube parts may benefit from this type of automated solution. The CTL23L can also be customized to accommodate different tube diameters or magazine loader configurations. For high-volume production environments, machines are typically dedicated to a specific tube diameter or narrow diameter range to maximize throughput and efficiency. The Winton CTL23L automatic feed lathe-type tube cutting machine provides a high-speed, accurate, and automated solution for tube cut-to-length production. With servo-controlled feeding, CNC programming, and integrated magazine loading, the system delivers efficient, repeatable tube cutting for high-volume manufacturing environments.
Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.